Hey folks, in this video, we're going to talk about a new program that, hey, it's caught a lot of attention. And I looked at it, decided to get involved. We'll talk about Digital Wealth Pros on the inside. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. I am very excited to talk to you about a program, guys, that I've been looking at for a few weeks, and some people have showed it to me, and I say, hey, why not pull the trigger on it? So I wanted to put it up under multiple streams of income. Put it into the arsenal, guys. So I'm just getting started in Digital Wealth Pros. Could not be more excited to be here. I want to, first of all, guys, ask that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Folks, we're going to talk about some income examples of what we feel that you can make. Income disclaimer, nothing in life happens until you take action. Folks, Digital Wealth Pros is a great little system here with some products that I'm very excited about. When it first came out, guys, the video was missing, and I was like, I don't know about that. But now they added the video, and one thing that really caused me to pull the trigger, it's got several levels of participation. 400, the 200, the 400, and soon to be, from this video, from the time you look at it, $800, meaning you can make $200 per sign up, you can make $400 per sign up, or you can make $800 per sign up. And the higher level that you join, you're automatically put into the levels. Very, very powerful. So when I found out about the $800 level, I would say, yes, that's for me. So very excited about Digital Wealth Pros. We're going to walk around, look at some of the capture pages that they have to offer. I want to look at the video that explains the program, so that we can get a better understanding of what is offered. There are products in the back office, products that have value. I looked at them, and you'll be very impressed with some of the products, the digital products that are in the back office. They have a proven postcard, proven marketing strategies that work, and we'll go from there. Before we get started, guys, as a bonus for when you partner with me, what I'm going to do, I just, in the background, I've got a secret lead source that I just ordered. You're going to be getting, somebody's got them in the mail. I got 1,000 postcards that I ordered for Digital Wealth Pros. 1,000. I ain't playing with this thing, guys. And you might have received it in the mail. Looks just like that. That's how that postcard looks. Make $1,000 a day, and there's my domain name. And that's the other side of it. Now, when you join the team, guys, I can make that postcard for you. So that's a benefit of joining the team. And just send me over your domain name, and I'll get you a postcard emailed over to you within the first 24 hours of joining the system. Now, let's look at what also I'm going to offer for you. You're going to get the proven postcard. You're going to get some of my marketing strategies. I'll send you a welcome email that has some goodies in there. Of course, the back office has all this information, guys, but I got some extra things that really convert like crazy. I got some solo ad providers, guys, that can give you clicks for, I'm telling you, great clicks for a phenomenal value. And I can send you over that, some of the ad sources that I use. I use 3 different buyer lists. 3 different buyer list on pill and stick labels. If you ask me, I will send you, if you come in at 400, I'll send you 200. You come in at the 800, when we get it, I'll send you 300 buyer leads via priority mail next day. Well, they won't arrive the next day, but I'll send them to you. I'll mail them off the next day from the day that you join, and I'll send them straight to you. 300 if you join at the 800. Just a way of saying thank you. J. Paul, well, one of the guys said, one of the great leaders said, you help enough people in life get what they want, you can have everything in your life that you want. So just a little bonus, guys, just a way of saying thank you for partnering with us in the team. But we're not, and those are just some of the bonuses. Here's some of the back office, guys. I'm going to look at the video in just a minute. The dashboard, the contact manager, your leads, your members, the products, guys, and the resources such as advertising. Great little back office. Let's go back over here, guys. I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to run through this thing pretty quickly today. In more detail, I'll be more specific to certain parts of the compensation, certain parts of the website in another video. But I just want to do a quick overview. This is what your back office look like. You get 4 different lead capture pages. Here is the sales page, guys. And I'm telling you, the thing is converting like it's nobody's business. Hang on tight. I'm going to show you how we get paid. Folks, I'm telling you, You put 100 of these in the mail, and you will be surprised. I'm going to show you how you can put several hundred per week in the mail and pick up endless payments to your Cash App, your Zelle, your Venmo, your PayPal. Great times are ahead, folks. The next few years of work at home are going to be on a tear. I market several programs, folks, and people are loving them. I mean, you plug in, you get in where you fit in, you get to multiple streams of income, folks. $10,000 months are absolutely possible. $15,000 months are absolutely possible when you have multiple streams of income coming in from the north, east, south, and the west. Money will be attracted to you. I'm telling you what, great things can happen. Notice I say it can happen. Now, you get these things, guys, and you do nothing with them, nothing happens. But when you take action and you run your business, folks, it will pay you like a business. I'm talking about walk-away job income. I'm talking about going where you want to go, living the life on your terms. Do not, if you're out there building your life around your job, you're doing it wrong. You build your job around your life, or I don't even call what I do a job. It's what I love to do, help others, show them a better way. If you're doing linear income, meaning you're clocking in on, let me get out of here, guys, and go to these lead capture pages. Here are our lead capture pages, guys. There's one of the lead capture pages. That will look good with this postcard. When people opt in, they're going to get the email follow-up. And you can use another autoresponder like Aweber, GetResponse. Some of these other autoresponder systems, you can use them. Very powerful. Here's another page that we're using. And I'll tell you my favorite one. Here, look here. Turnkey system takes payments, your favorite account multiple times a day. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle. Folks, would you like to get endless $400 payments on a consistent daily basis? It's possible. Look at that. Shocking system. Pull in an amazing $200 to $400 plus per day on autopilot. When you set these things up and you put it into action and you just drop off postcards, all you do is set it up. People talk about passive income with crypto, this, that, and the other. Folks, this cannot be more passive. Once you set it up, let it go. And you mail, buy a solo ad, and run traffic. And dreams can come true. Folks, and those are the capture pages. Again, that one, I like this one. I like that one. I like that one. I like all these capture pages. They're converting like it's nobody's business. I'm hearing about 44%, meaning 44 people out of 100 that come to this site are going to give you their name, email address, and phone number. Value. Now, while we're in the back office, folks, let's just look at the products. Let's see if the products offer value. That's what I really look for in a system. That what we're pushing or we're promoting, are they going to be real products? Are they going to be something that's going to offer value in the marketplace? Trying to click onto it. Let me see. Dashboard. Okay, with the bronze level products, guys, you get emails that convert, empowered lifestyle, home-based entrepreneur. These are things that's going to help improve the quality of your life. As you read, go over, download them, go over these products, guys. Utilize these things. Word secrets. I mean, there are certain secrets, certain words that draw people in, and you're getting it. Mastering WordPress. Here's some of the gold level products. Lead blueprints, leadership development, list building, educational products is going to help make you a better entrepreneur. Folks, that's why I market products like this, because the ways to success, it creates a successful mindset. Do you think they teach this in Harvard? Do they teach it at Yale? No. Right here, you're talking about getting an education for $400, $800. Folks, great times are happening. And this right here will only help you in other businesses that you're running, other bigger ticket opportunities. Folks, this is exciting times. We're going to walk over to the video. And one thing I like about this system, watch this. This is the main feature that I really got involved, is that the sales are closed for you. They're closed for you. Basically, they'll call the support line. They give them the ID number. It looks like Timothy Thomas. Y'all know this guy right here. And that's my ID number. You call this number, it'll be below the video. Give the support team my information. Is the sponsor ID 171 10071. Give them that. Call the support line. and let's get you off to the races, folks. Like I said, I want to keep this video under wraps, but let's look at this quick video, and then I'm going to get off it. But guys, again, there is no selling, no telling, no explaining. This thing will take up money for us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while we're asleep, because you got your proven methods. And once you're off to the races, you're going to welcome email, welcome to the team, and you'll be off to the races. Great times, great things are happening. The next few years, folks, are going to be explosive. Find some of these businesses, plug in, and let's go. Let's look at the video, guys, and I'm going to get off the video.
Digital Wealth Pros. You are about to discover a real and honest way to generate an extra $200 and $400 a sale multiple times a day with our proven and time-tested strategies, all without the grind of selling or talking to anyone at all. Rather, you are looking for a new opportunity, or you just need to make an extra income. Digital Wealth Pros can help you meet those goals, and meet them fast. This powerful system has nothing to do with MLM, or network marketing, or some cash gifting scheme. What DWP has put together here is literally a complete business-in-a-box opportunity. You are shown in detail how to potentially make thousands every week,
Thousands.
in most cases per day. DWP is also the originators when it comes to true passive automated income. Digital Wealth Pros is a highly trained call center that is specifically trained to work on your behalf. These are trained callers that work tirelessly for you. You will never have to answer any questions. No selling. No talking to anyone if you choose to remain fully hands-off with DWP. This is what true passive automated income is all about. Imagine plugging into our done-for-you proven strategies, and the company's dedicated trained callers handle everything from calling back your prospects, answering all their questions, and then walking them through the very easy sign-up instructions. And then you get paid by your favorite method, such as Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, credit card, or it can be a good old check sent through overnight carrier right to your front door.
Incredible.
Folks, this is true passive overnight income at its finest. Digital Wealth Pros give you a state-of-the-art tracking system and back office. For every lead that is going through the automated system and watching this very same video, you get instantly notified in real time. This also allows the members to know their advertising is working and gives you a peace of mind that you are continually updated with your results. Digital Wealth Pros has made it so you will never have to feel around in the dark. Listen, I know you are looking for something, otherwise you wouldn't still be watching this video. If you are tired of the daily grind and just need some positive reinforcement in your life, DWP can help you achieve those goals. This amazing system can help you finally reach those bucket list goals you've been putting off, or just haven't had the time or the financial capability to accomplish. Digital Wealth Pros is helping many folks right now get back on track and putting more time freedom back to their lives. Are you ready to open the door to financial independence? Let's run some quick numbers, how the income works with DWP. Digital Wealth Pros has 2 levels within the opportunity. Our Bronze package pays you $200 on each and every sale that is made. Our Gold package pays you $400 on each and every sale that's closed. Just think how exciting it will be when you turn on this automated system.
Now watch this, guys. From the time recording this video, we got an $800 level coming, so get ready. It may be here by the time you see it.
And have multiple payments of $200 and $400 filling up your bank account daily. Our compensation plan packages is by far the easiest to understand. You have 2 choices between the Bronze package and the Gold package. The Bronze package costs a total of $297. $200 gets sent direct to the member, and $97 is the setup fee that's sent to the company. The Gold package costs a total of $497. $400 gets sent directly to the member, and $97 is the setup fee that's sent to the company. This is a direct sale program. You will never have to pass up sales to earn money here in DWP. This is not a reverse one-up or a one-up. You can rest assured all your sales are yours and only yours. There's no complicated multi-level structure that you have to worry about understanding. Bonus, when participating at the Gold package, you are automatically grandfathered into both the Bronze and the Gold package. This is huge because you will have profits of $200 and $400 paying you to infinity. This is the easiest cash flowing system ever created. Digital Wealth Pros was created by top marketers and programmers in this industry with over 32 years combined experience. Are you ready to take advantage of this incredible opportunity and begin receiving daily payments of $200 to $400 with this amazing hands-free automated system? Let's quickly talk what Digital Wealth Pros has to offer and why this is such an extraordinary opportunity for everyone that gets involved. You get a 6 to 7 figure business in a box opportunity. This includes custom-built capture pages and autoresponders, which are also hands-free and work on autopilot for you right after you join.
Incredible.
You get access to our highly trained live callers that work tirelessly on your behalf. They handle all the phone calls, the selling and telling, and they sign up everyone for you. Think of them as your personal business mentor, except they do all the work, making this completely hands-free and automated for you. With Digital Wealth Pros, you will have your very own state-of-the-art back office with real-time tracking of your leads and sales. You will always be in tune with your business at all times with this amazing tracking system. You will also gain complete access to the company's Letter Shop Fulfillment Center. This is where you will be able to have the company's letter shop set out highly targeted postcards and letter placements, and it's all done for you passively. This will help take your business to the absolute next level. You also get rights to digital informational products that are actually very good. These are not old rehashed products that many companies out there are giving to their member base. So this brings me to my original question. Are you ready to take advantage of this incredible opportunity and begin receiving commissions that range from $200 to $400 plus daily with this amazing hands-free automated system? Your next step is now to contact a live agent that will guide you through the very easy process of getting started. In fact, they are standing by to help you right now. Please note, when speaking with a live agent, you must have your sponsor identification code handy. They will need that to proceed with the call and to help you get started. Congratulations for making it to the end of this video. The time is now here for you to decide if you are ready to take control of your financial future. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks for watching the presentation.
Okay, guys, Digital Wealth Pro, absolutely powerful. Let's get going, guys. Let's make 2022, 23, 24, 25 some of the best years of your life. Get started now. Get plugged in, folks. We're going to the upside. Money will come to you like you've ever seen in your life over the next few years. If you are, and now it's time. Now it's go time. People say, well, I remember the good old days. Well, I wish I would have started way back then. You don't say that 5-10 years from now. Get started today, guys. Let's go. And, if you need anything, reach out. My information will be below the video. Just call the, call the call center. Get all your questions answered. And, we'll get you off to the races. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next one.